start our class, let's play a music, okay? Come on with me. Hello girls, hello boys, hello children, it's time for English now. Hello girls, hello boys, hello children, it's time for English now. Hello everyone, how are you? I am happy. How about you? I hope you are happy too. Yes. Today story time. Yes. Look.
Listening 16. Listen to the story. Catch that shape train.
Circle isn't on the shape train.
We need to get Circle on the train. We need to get through Crocodile Forest. How can we get up Snowy Mountain? The balloons can help us up the mountain. We can go fast on the red sled. Circle is on the train. Now, turn! We did it! Great job, Circle!
Now, take your book, activity book, on page 16. Look and circle 6 differences. Thank you. I'm so happy for you today. Goodbye, girls. Goodbye, boys. Goodbye, children. It's time for me to go. Goodbye, girls. Goodbye, boys. Goodbye, children. It's time for me to go.